This video assumes you already know the following items displayed on your screen. If you're not ready to watch, here are some places you can learn more. Welcome. In this video, we will show you how Karmasphere Studio makes it easy to learn, develop, deploy, and debug MapReduce jobs for Hadoop on Amazon Elastic MapReduce using data stored on S3. Karmasphere Studio is a plugin for the Eclipse IDE that runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux desktop systems. It provides a graphical environment that supports the complete lifecycle for developing for Amazon Elastic MapReduce. The Hadoop development lifecycle includes prototyping and developing, testing and debugging, and deploying and optimizing Hadoop jobs. With Karmasphere Studio, developers have a graphical environment to learn Hadoop, develop custom analytic algorithms, and create meaningful data sets for their business from large amounts of structured and unstructured data stored on Amazon S3. To access Amazon Elastic MapReduce in S3, you enter your Amazon account access key and secret key. This enables you to use both EMR and S3 when you need access to your data on S3 or want to deploy your jobs to a new or existing job flow on EMR. First, let's take a look at how Karmasphere Studio helps you better understand how your Java code will execute in a MapReduce pipeline. It provides a workflow interface to display the results of each stage of a MapReduce job. It gives you the ability to use either a sample local data set or a sample taken directly from your full data stored on S3. This helps you work out the kinks in your initial code without the turnaround time involved in sending it to the Hadoop cluster on EMR. Karmasphere Studio allows you to use any existing job flow running in your AWS account. You can also create one or more templates for new job flows, which define the parameters of the job flow you want to start. When you're ready to deploy your job, you can choose an existing job flow or use any of your predefined templates. When you select the job flow, Karmasphere Studio sends your Hadoop job to Elastic MapReduce in the Amazon cloud. Once the job is running on the job flow, Karmasphere Studio's online cluster capabilities provide graphical monitoring, profiling, and debugging of our MapReduce job. You can graphically monitor all the MapReduce jobs on a job flow and visually debug them. Here, you select a job and click on the Profile Job button. The Summary tab shows you the job name, the cluster name, the job ID, the input and output file or directory, and the time taken to complete the job. Based on the diagnostics given, you can improve or change your code. The Timeline tab shows you the time used in each phase of the task, including the time in map, shuffle, and reduce phases. These are important to know when tuning your code. The graphs are interactive and clicking on them shows the attempts for each map and reduce task. The Counters tab shows us all the Hadoop counters, such as count of records. As important debugging aids, general Hadoop and job-specific counters are easily accessible. The Diagnostics tab displays diagnostic rules, the description of the rule, including importance, description, and diagnostics. If a rule triggers, then advice is given. The Logs tab shows the logs, including std out, std error, and syslogs, which are easy to access and help you discover Java exceptions. The Tasks tab shows information on completed tasks, including start and finish times, and logs for each task, including counters and attempts. Finally, the Configuration tab gives you information about the Hadoop parameters of the cluster and job from the Hadoop configuration file. If you want to use MapReduce job outside of Karmasphere Studio to, for example, automate its regular deployment to the cluster, you can package and export it easily using the simple interface you see here. In summary, you have seen how to use Karmasphere Studio with Amazon Elastic MapReduce to simplify development of MapReduce jobs for EMR. Karmasphere Studio increases the productivity of developers, saving time and effort. Its visual interface enables a full spectrum of developers to take advantage of Elastic MapReduce. In addition to standard licensing, Karmasphere Studio is available under the same pay-as-you-go hourly pricing model as EMR, providing a low cost of entry to Hadoop development and a single payment process from Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about Amazon Elastic MapReduce and Karmasphere Studio, please go to karmasphere.com or send email to sales@karmasphere.com.